and welcome back, Tigers! Welcome to the 24-25 school year. We're super excited for all the great things going on here at Unity this year. All the admin team are inside waiting to say hi to you. Why don't you come on in and let's get started.
Hey everybody, it's another great day to be a Tiger. Don't forget school starts at 7:45 a.m. sharp. Doors open at 7:10. We'll see you soon.
All students on time and tardy will enter through door 1. Once you enter our building, you'll walk through our weapons detection system. We want to keep all staff and students safe.
Just a reminder, we all have IDs and we all need to wear them. You need to have the correct colored lanyard for your floor, and do not put anything over your ID or in the pocket. And while you're on campus, you need to wear them the entire time until you are off.
Tigers, this year, Tiger Time is going to be first thing in the morning, so we'll be starting our days focusing on reading and math. Also, parents, make sure you stay connected. If your email, phone changes during the school year, make sure you call the office so you get all of our awesome alerts.
It is the expectation that students fully charge their Chromebooks every night and read at least 30 minutes.
This year at Unity, we will have dual language on our 7th grade side. Estamos emocionados por este cambio nuevo.
Did you know there are over 30 sports teams or clubs that you can join? We would like to see every student get involved in some sort of activity. Find something you like and sign up. If sports aren't your thing, you can help make this yearbook. There's Lego Explorers, band, choir, girl talk, esports gaming club, so many opportunities for you. Please get involved. You will make new friends, create lasting memories, and have a lot of fun. Ooh, it's hot out here. I really would like something to drink.
Well, we got just what you need here at our Unity concession stand for drinks like Gatorade, water, pop, and juice boxes, as well as chips, snacks, candy, and hot pizza. Or you can get a little bit of everything with the Tiger Meal.
Oh, how about a Tiger Meal?
One coming right up.
Thank you.
Don't forget when you come back to be safe, respectful, responsible, and engaged. We have lots of cool incentives for you. PBS in the CAF is back and better than ever. See you soon.
If you haven't already, stop by the office and get connected to PowerSchool so you can see attendance and grades.
Parents and guardians, don't forget to download the Hero mobile app to track your child's behavior progress. The Hero app has a dark blue background with a light blue letter H.
We have the Remind app and we have the D99 app, so please download them onto your phone or computer. Also, we have a lot of opportunities for parents to come and help volunteer in different ways. We also have coffee talks and we have the Parent Patrol. So if you'd like to be more involved and volunteer some time, please come see me. This is Mr. Rosales here at Unity.
Oh, there's the bell. School gets out 2:35 p.m. each and every day. We'll see you soon. Can't wait to see ya.
Well, we hope you enjoyed the tour. We're super excited for the school year and hope you are too. Let's make this the best year Unity's had yet. Go Tigers!
Make it a great day.